What is up everyone? Today we are going to be checking out the Ninja Perfect Temperature 1.7 litre kettle.
Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, I already have a kettle, why do I need a new one?
Well, we're going to be opening up the box, having a look inside and taking a look at the features that set this apart from the rest.
So without any further ado, let's get into it. On the box we have some of the key features shown, such as the live temperature readout, the ability to control the temperature from 60 degrees Celsius all the way up to 100 degrees Celsius, as well as being able to hold the temperature for up to 30 minutes. Another feature that the Ninja Kettle prides itself on is the fact that it can boil a cup of water in under 50 seconds, so we'll be sure to try that out. The Ninja Kettle also comes with instructions, as well as a quick start and recipe booklet. This will be great to give you some ideas and pointers for how to make your hot drinks. Now let's open this bad boy up. So here we have the main body of the kettle. As you can see, it is stainless steel. Feels quite light, looks very pretty. And here we have the power base of the kettle with the temperature and time controls at the bottom.
So let's start by checking out some of the features. First, we're going to see how long this takes to boil. We're going to grab 1 cup, place it into the kettle and see how long it takes. Now Ninja claim that it can do 1 cup in under 50 seconds, so we're going to put that to the test now. I'm going to place 1 cup of water inside and my lovely assistant will begin the timer once I press go. So I'm going to select it to boil. 3, 2, 1, go. We're there. So there we have it, we're up to boil in only 47 seconds. So you gotta hand it to Ninja, they're on the money with that one. So now let's take a look at the actual kettle itself. So as we showed before, it is stainless steel, very sleek, very nice, easy to clean. You've got the easy access button for the top of the lid. You just simply click that down, opens up. And then when you need to close the lid, it's got a nice soft touch close, so you're not touching your fingers on hot metal. Inside we also have a removable scale filter which allows you to clean this kettle a lot easier than standard kettles, and it's also worth mentioning that all the internal parts inside the kettle are actually BPA free. Also on the back of the kettle we have the capacity line which goes all the way up to 1.7 litres or 7 cups. Now when you're using the kettle and you press start, this will actually illuminate. And moving on to the base itself, now this is actually a 360 base which allows you to move the kettle in any direction you see fit. So if you need to have it under any tight cupboards or that kind of thing, this is very ideal. We also have a very easy to use LED control panel. So down the bottom here we have the different features. We have hold temp, which allows you to hold whichever temperature you want from 60 to 100 degrees for up to 30 minutes. We also have some presets for different teas, so 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 and 90. We have 95 for coffee, and then you just have your standard 100 degrees for boiling water. But if you're a little bit picky on what temperatures you want to use, we have actually got a plus and minus for adjusting the temperature manually. So now the power, so this Ninja kettle actually has 3000 watts, whereas most traditional kettles are normally about 1500. So this actually is a lot more powerful than your standard kettle. So now maybe you're wondering about storing the kettle on your kitchen side, but you're worried about the long cable that's dragging along. Well, Ninja have thought of this and they've actually provided a nice neat cable management system under the bottom, which allows you to wrap the cord around the bottom so that you can adjust the cable to whichever length you should desire. So these have been our first impressions. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this kettle. Will you be picking one up or will you be sticking with your old kettle? But very soon we will be doing a full review comparing the Ninja kettle against a more budget-friendly kettle.
In the meantime, if you got value from this video and you would like to support our channel, we have an affiliate link down below where you can purchase your very own Ninja kettle or any other Ninja appliance.
Now, if you'd like to see us review any of our other appliances, check the link on the screen now. Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again soon.
We have our affiliate link down below where you can purchase your Ninja kettle. We have our affiliate link in the bottom.
In the bottom? Where is it? In our bio. Or down below?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say.